In this tutorial, we will at your request go through several new companies that employ remotely to work from home. We will go through few different websites, so if you're ready, like this video and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and make money online strategies. We will talk about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would like to take this opportunity to announce that starting from the next week, you will have the option to access our private stock portfolio, which can help you if you want to start investing in index funds, stocks, bonds, and so on. Today, we are talking about several companies that hire to work from home in different areas. Before we start with the first company, as always, all the websites will be pinned to you in the first comment of this video. So you don't have to waste time looking for links now, but concentrate on the video so you don't miss important information. The first company for today is Podcast Host. This is a company that teaches people about editing, production planning and choosing equipment, and most importantly, they're hiring right now. When you get to the website, in the upper right corner, click on the We are hiring button. When a new window opens, you will see available jobs. However, we will not find here worldwide jobs related to customer support that interests us. The jobs we are interested in are at the bottom of the page under closed jobs. In fact, when we click on customer success and retention champion, we see that the position is still open. The job description includes flexible working hours, full or part-time, from any part of the world. We see that the closing date is approaching, so it's necessary to apply as soon as possible if you're interested. Further on this page, you can read what kind of people they are looking, and what's great is that they are not looking for experienced people. So this is an ideal job for beginners who don't have much experience. We can also read their requirements for the job and in which area it's the best to have some prior knowledge, as well as what bonuses you get from them if you have experience in some of these options. At the very end, you can read how to apply and what data you need to enter. When you have entered all the information, click Submit button and wait for someone from the company to contact you. The next website is related to cryptocurrencies and is looking for a person to work in a live chat support position. This is the Kraken website. This platform is used to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So if you like Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, this is a great opportunity to work with people in that world. Over 8 million people use this platform every day, and that is why there is a high demand for people to work in live chat support position. It's a full-time position and a good knowledge of English is required. How will you find their jobs? Scroll to the end of the homepage and click on the Careers button. When a new window opens, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the See All Position Roles button. When you enter the remote part or full time, in their filter, you will see a list of all the jobs they're hired to work from home. Here you can apply for any job you're interested in. We will choose for the needs of the video Bilingual Live Chat Support Specialist. When a new window opens, you can read the job description as well as the description of the person who is willing to do this job for them. Some of the requirements you have to meet are a good knowledge of English, then handling a minimum of 3 open live chats, some knowledge of cryptocurrencies and so on. If you like these conditions, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Apply for this job button. The hiring process looks like you will be given a task that you will have 3 days to do. So when you submit your application, you will be given a task to do, and after that you will have an interview lasting an hour. These were jobs on Kraken website, and now we are moving to the third and last company for today. The last company for today that hires remotely is CloudSmith. It's a company that sells supply chain management software. You will find their job position in the same way as with the previous company. On the homepage, you will scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Careers button. Then a new window will open and you will click on the View Jobs button. We are interested in the position of customer support specialist. If we look at the location of this job, we will see that they are looking for someone to be from the US. But if you scroll through the job description, we can see that they are from Ireland and the whole team is currently working from home and nowhere is stated that you have to be from Boston. Feel free to try to sign up with this company as well. As with the previous job descriptions, here you can read the detailed requirements that you need to meet and which jobs you will do. If you still don't like any of the companies that we mentioned today, in the upper right corner we will leave you a video in which we talked about other 3 companies that will pay you up to $6,000 per month working from your home. In the next video I will expose top 25 websites which you can use to make your first $1,000 online. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!